F-35 fighter jet is one of the most advanced aircraft in the world, with unique capabilities that set it apart from other fighter jets. This video will explore the differentiating features of the F-35 and its insane engineering that makes it NATO's superweapon. The F-35B variant is capable of vertical takeoff and landing, making it ideal for operations in areas where traditional runways are not available. The F-35 has several differentiating capabilities that make it stand out from other fighter jets. The F-35 is designed to be stealthy, making it difficult for enemy radar to detect. Its stealth technology allows it to fly undetected into enemy territory and strike targets without being seen. The F-35 is equipped with advanced sensors that allow it to detect and track enemy aircraft from long distances. Its sensors also provide pilots with real-time information about the battlefield, giving them a tactical advantage. The F-35's engineering is nothing short of insane. The aircraft is designed to be highly maneuverable, with advanced avionics that allow it to fly at supersonic speed. Its engine is also designed to be highly efficient, allowing it to fly longer distances without refueling. In addition, the F-35's cockpit is equipped with advanced displays and controls that provide pilots with real-time information about the aircraft's performance. This allows pilots to make quick decisions and respond to changing situations on the battlefield. The F-35 fighter jet is a marvel of modern engineering, with unique capabilities that make it NATO's superweapon. Its stealth technology, advanced sensors, and vertical takeoff capabilities set it apart from other fighter jets, while its insane engineering makes it highly maneuverable and efficient. The F-35 is truly the world's most advanced aircraft.